What is up, guys? I'm back doing a video. This time, another one on Loopring. They've just dropped a major bomb when it comes down to creating and launching the wallet for L2, layer 2, which is going to dramatically decrease fees. So one of the big things around Ethereum and why it's so hard to really take part in, the DeFi space. Ethereum has obviously, a huge number of tokens that operate within its blockchain. A lot of projects that a lot of people, like myself, want to get into, but don't have a ton of money to be able to just pay or essentially throw away $200 to $300 in fees or gas fees. Loopring is really going to help bring a lot of cost savings when it comes down to operating in the Ethereum blockchain with its layer 2. So they've just released the L2 Counterfactual Wallet, and it has some fiat on ramps. So really, guys, definitely, a lot coming from Loopring. A lot of people have been talking about different things and different partnerships, like the GME partnership or the GameStop partnership, of them helping them build out their marketplace and what they're looking to do in that space. A lot of people have been really kind of waiting on that announcement. Nothing has been, said. There's no, by the way, not financial advice. Nothing that I say here is something that you should take as me giving you financial advice to either invest in a token or coin, or anything in crypto. So in regards to that, they have a lot going on when it comes down to bringing, a less expensive gas fee transactional process with layer 2. So I'm a big fan of Loopring. I think they have a lot of things coming. I know they've already really have, jumped when it comes down to numbers. They went, I think it was as low as 8 cents to, I believe, to 220 to 230 is probably where it's sitting at now. But I didn't want to necessarily focus on price. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of the news on that because there's so much going on. I personally have downloaded the wallet. They on Twitter have announced, that they have essentially launched the wallet. A lot of good stuff going on out there. So definitely check it out. Let me know what you guys think on Loopring. If there's anything specifically that you see or that you're excited about. Kind of went through and looked at what the process was in regards to its wallet. Haven't really interacted with it too much. I'm going to start kind of playing around with it, seeing how it goes. And then I'll give you guys an update on what I think. Hopefully this really opens the door for Loopring to, a gateway to having an opportunity to bring more things to the market. So check it out, guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks for showing support. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If there's anything that I missed on this particular video or about the product that Loopring is launching and all the things that they're interacting with, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know, drop a comment below about what you think. But yeah, big fan of Loopring, man. Catch you guys on the next one.